All right, class. In our third example, we're going to see how a proportion can help you solve a word problem. The elevator that takes passengers from the lobby of the John Hancock Center in Chicago to the observation level travels 150 feet in 5 seconds. So I suggest we go ahead and write that down. 150 feet for every 5 seconds. All right. The observation level is located on the 94th floor, or at 1,029 feet. All right, so we have 1,029 feet. Find the time it takes the elevator to travel from the lobby to the observation level. All right, so 150 feet takes 5 seconds. Then 1,029 feet should take, I don't know, but we could put an X there for a variable. Because it should continue on a steady speed, that we would assume that we could go ahead and make it proportional. So for every 150 feet, it goes 5 seconds. If it took 1,029 feet, it would go down for a certain amount of time, but it should be proportional because it should go at a steady rate. So we go ahead and we cross multiply 150 times x, we get 150x. Take 5 times 1,029, so equals 5 times 1,029. And I'm going to switch to the next page. Let's take a look at that. All right, notice they wrote theirs a different way. Does it really matter if we have the exact same numbers? Let's go back to screen. I have 150 feet, 1,029 feet on the top, 5 seconds on the bottom, x on the bottom. If you look at what they wrote, you notice that it's exactly the same, just everything is flipped. It will give you the same answer. All right. So as we go through the math, we will find, there we go. We will find that you get 34.3 as your answer when you cross multiplied. So it should take 34.3 seconds to travel from the lobby to the observation. So if you have a steady rate, it's like an elevator, then you could assume you could write a proportion problem to solve. You could also use a table because every 5 seconds you get 150 feet. 10 seconds would be 300 feet, 15 seconds would be 450 feet, 20 seconds 600 feet, 25 seconds 750, 30 seconds 900, and 35 seconds 1,050. So is your answer reasonable that it would take 34.3 seconds? Yes. So you could use a table to help you figure this out also to see if your answer is reasonable. I would like you to go ahead and give these 2 questions a try. Write out your problem as a proportion. This is an elevator, so it should go at a steady rate. All right. Pause your video and give it a try. Welcome back. For this question, we should have, suppose the elevator travels 125 feet in 5 seconds, so 125 feet in 5 seconds equals, find the time it will take the elevator to travel from the lobby to the observation. So we have 1,029 feet still. We just changed the rate that it was going, and x. So if you cross multiply equals 5 times 1,029, when you work that out, you will find that it took 41.16 seconds. And that just makes sense because you went at a slower pace. Let's take a look at the other question that we have here that you worked out. When 2 full moons appear in the same month, the second full moon is a blue moon. On average, 2 blue moons occur every 5 years. So 2 blue moons every 5 years, right? Find the number of blue moons that will likely occur in the next 25 years. So it should go at a steady rate, and we don't know how many blue moons, so we call it x. Cross multiply, so we get 5x, and 2 blue moons times 25 years, well, that's going to be 50. Divide both sides by your 5, and x equals 10. So you should have 10 blue moons And let's take a look at their answer. 10 blue moons. All right, have a great evening. See you tomorrow.